The key arteries supplying the pectoral region include the subclavian artery and the axillary artery. Number 1. Subclavian artery. Origin. The right subclavian artery originates from the brachycephalic trunk, while the left subclavian artery arises directly from the aortic arch. Course. It travels laterally over the first rib and under the clavicle, becoming the axillary artery at the lateral border of the first rib. Branches of subclavian artery. It gives 4 branches. Vertebral artery supplies the posterior part of the brain. Internal thoracic artery descends along the sternum, supplying the anterior chest wall and breasts. Thyrocervical trunk gives off several branches, including the inferior thyroid artery, transverse cervical artery, and suprascapular artery. Costocervical trunk provides blood to the deep neck muscles and the first 2 intercostal spaces.